2 months ago, we picked up this 1967 Pontiac Catalina. As you can see, it's pretty straight. Body's in pretty good condition, only a couple small spots. This is when we were first taking a look at it, considering the trade. We like to barter over here, so we bartered for the car, and it's been a fun journey since. We started documenting a little bit of what we're gonna do, and obviously we took the car because, I mean, come on, the thing's beautiful. A little beat up, just needs a little love, but it's all there. Was able to drive onto the trailer under its own power, 400 cubic inch, drum brakes all around, straight body. Pretty clean for 1967. Spent most of its life, I believe, before this owner that I got it from, in a barn up in New Hampshire. So it was definitely driven. It was registered up until January. As you can see, finally getting pulled off the transporter and into the driveway. You can see two gentlemen in the back there. Rest in peace, the one in all black. It's a story for another time. But here she is coming home, pulling into the driveway, and as you can see, the driveway looks pretty nice. And it basically turned into a garage after I was done with it for about a month, so we'll get to all that. But you can see the interior is beautiful. Red was never my favorite, but I think it goes well with the car. Pretty complete, pretty clean. Chrome still shines from 5 feet, 10 feet away. A couple little spots here and there, but like I said, all there. Obviously a white car before it was put into the flat black primer look. And we'll probably keep it the flat black for a while. I'm not worried about body and paint. Beautiful interior. A couple trim pieces need a little reworking, but for the most part, it's solid all around. Maybe someday she'll go back to the white. We'll see. A couple of the gauges. The radio doesn't work. The clock doesn't work. We'll get to all that though. Slowly chip away at it. All the trim, although flimsy and barely hanging on, it's there. All original parts. Once you see us going through it all, you'll see how rust-filled it is. Pretty patina, that's all it is. You know, for a driveway build, just my opinion, I've had a lot of projects, and you need something running and driving. Whether it's running and driving very well, but at least you can move it around in the yard and know that it's pretty much a complete car. I've had a lot of projects over the years, and yeah, we'll skip forward and just say you need something that's pretty close if you're going to be wrenching this in just a driveway. Like I said, we'll do body work down the road. First video after this will probably be me taking apart some brake cylinders, replacing those, replacing the brake lines. You can see it definitely has some new parts and some old parts. A lot of sorting out. It was kind of just thrown together a little bit, kind of maintained just to drive, but pretty clean. And we'll definitely get the outdoor tent. That ended up into a few fun situations. We had some heavy winds that have been blowing it around, but you can see it's not installed yet, so just let the sunshine bake down on the old girl. Can't leave it outside too long since all of the rubber trim is basically corroded, so it leaks into the car if I don't have it covered, so we'll take care of that probably in the next video. But you can see she looked clean. Need some bigger wheels, better tires. Did some investigation into that. All around clean, solid car. There she is with the blue light. So we'll have a lot of other videos coming up. We've already done a lot of wrenching on this bad girl. A lot of work. Just going through piece by piece, so hopefully you can see what we turn this old rusty girl into something that's a little bit prettier. But not even going to tell you to subscribe. Not yet. Mr. Gage, thank you. Let's show everybody what we can do, buddy.